How to solve 11 power x is equal to 55. Find the value of x. So at first we take log in both sides. So you can write here log of 11 power x is equal to log of 55 can be written as 5 times 11. Now here we can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power will move to the base. According to this rule, we can compare here. This power x will move to the base. So it will be x log 11 is equal to log of 5 times 11. That means it will be log 5 plus log 5 plus log 11. Log 5 plus log 11. Here we applied this formula, this rule, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 11 in both sides. So divided by log 11 divided by log 11. So this log 11 will be cancelled. Now we have x will be equal to this divided by this. That means it will be same that log 5 of log 11, that means log 5 base of 11. According to this rule, log a divided by log b is equal to log a base of b. So according to this rule, log 5 of log 11, that means it will be log 5 base of 11, then plus log 11 divided by log 11, that means 1. So log 5 base 11 plus 1. This is the value of x, so this is our final answer. X power x is equal to 2 power of 8. What is the value of x? So we have x power x is equal to 2 power 8 can be written as 2 power of 2 times 4. Now x power x is equal to 2 power of 2 times 4 is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of 4. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. Now we have x power x is equal to 2 power 2 is same as 4, then power of 4. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So it will be x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.